Hello everybody, how are we all? Something nice and simple today. We've got an air fryer recipe. Who fancies a kebab? I do. How about a jerk chicken kebab? Oh yes. Made simple. I have done a lazy jerk chicken before on my channel. But this time we're going to be using, where is it? Caribbean jerk rub. Got it from Morrison's yesterday when I went up there with me to get my Ginster's pasties. £3.49. So let's get started. Something nice and simple. Yeah, you could do. Oh, I'm also going to do it with some coleslaw. So I'm going to have jerk chicken in a pitta. I'm not going to do a kebab on a skewers. I'm going to have it in a pitta. Coleslaw on top. I make coleslaw. Delicious. Yeah, I'll show you the ingredients. Okay, so what I've got 900 grams of chicken thighs, and I've cut each one into three. Aldi £4.99, I think, or something. I've got a bit of low-fat yoghurt, and just a bit of Caribbean jerk, that's all. Say £3.49. Where's it got the... Let's have a look at that if you want to have a look. And it's imported. Where is it? Imported there. I think that's what it says, isn't it? Hold on. There. I ain't got my reading glasses on, I can't see. You can see it anyway, wherever it is. And I've already read that, so it's just basically coat marinade and away we go. And there's the seasoning, there's what's in it. And there's what you shouldn't do over steaming pots. Okay, so we'll have a quick look at this anyway first. Let's get this open. There it is, look, hasn't opened it. Shake first. Do like a bit of jerk chicken. And I thought, nice and simple one. Let's see how this stuff is. That lazy stuff I done was really nice, that lazy jerk. Gonna get this off now, look. Come on. I'm absolutely useless with these tab things like this, you know. I've got little stumpy fingers, so... I mean, you're not going to see a lot, are you? Oh, it smells nice. It does smell nice. Right, so first things first, I'm going to get myself another bowl. There we go. We're going to get my chicken in first. Like so. Then I'm going to get some rub on first. I'll probably end up putting 2 lots of rub on. I don't know how spicy it is and that, so we're going to play it by ear. And I want to get it quite coated, don't we? We want to do that. Let's give that a little mix. And then I'm going to get some yoghurt in. And then another bit more jerk in there. So just so it all, and I'm going to leave it to marinade then. In the fridge for half an hour or whatever. That'll do for now, because we're going to get the yoghurt in. Right, I'm going to get a cup of yoghurt in. This was 35p from Aldi. This is fat-free one. Let's get 1 cup in there. Don't overdo it, because you don't want it to overpower the chicken, if you get me. Just enough to coat. There we go. Just enough to coat it. I'll probably end up getting my hands in here to get a proper mix. Now let's get some more jerk in. Because I want it spicy if I can, so that's what I'm trying to get it. Because I know sometimes these seasonings, unless you get it right, it's all trial and error anyway, isn't it? So... And I might even, you know, when I've took it out, I'll put my gloves on, and I might sprinkle a bit on top as well, just to give it that extra bit of spice. We'll see what happens, eh? We'll see how it looks. Right, I'm going to put that in the fridge for half an hour, or until I'm ready to use it. Probably be a bit longer than that. Oh yeah, what's it smell like? Smells a bit Good old yogurt tea. I might put a little bit more in there, you know. Let's get it spicy. Let's get it spicy. I'm a wimp with the spice now, ain't I? So let's get it spicy, eh? That's what you want with your jerk spice, don't you? You want the spice, so we'll give it a go. Anyway, there we go, that'll do. Right, in the fridge then. Okay, while that's in the fridge, we're going to do my carrots, and I've got myself a white cabbage. And just some salad cream and mayonnaise. And some black pepper. That's all we need. Nice and simple. First things first, we're going to peel a few carrots. 33p these are. Probably 2 should be enough, I think. I'll do 3 for good measure, eh? 3 of them. Chop the ends off. And we'll give them a peel. Like so. And what I'm going to use, you can just grate them and all that if you need to. I'm just going to use my food processor to cut it all up. It's just going to be easier for me. That's all. So I'm going to chop that up, the white cabbage, chop it in half, and we'll get some sections out of that. You can shred it by hand if you want, but because beans I'm going to put it all in a bowl and mix it all up anyway, I'm just going to do it all in me good old processor, if you can see it. Okay, it's going to be loud, so probably won't show you this bit. Let's start off with the carrots, eh? Oh, lid, put the lid on, and out, there we go. And we'll cut away. Carrots done. There we go, guys, that's that done, nice and simple. Okay then, let's give that a quick mix. I've cleaned up. I always make a mess, me. I always make a mess. Let's get all this incorporated first. You can't beat a good old homemade coleslaw, can you? This is only your basic one. Do loads of different things with them, can't you? I'm just doing a normal one. That's all. Mayonnaise in. Obviously, you've got to get it to your taste. Mix all that in, when it's all creamy. Just keep adding your mayo. I'm going to put a bit of good old salad cream in there and all. Do like a salad cream, me. I do like a salad cream. I don't buy it often. I should buy it more and keep it in my fridge. I do like it. Bit of pepper. Even put a bit of lemon in there if you want. Not for me, thank you. This should be nice and refreshing with that chicken. It should be, hopefully. And put that in the fridge. And we will we'll wait for a bit till I'm ready. Okay then, we're ready to cook. I've got my air fryer warming up, you can probably hear it. Just got the chicken out now, and I've decided I'm not going to put any more rub on there, because it does look a bit sparsy. So I'm going to leave it as it is. But it's like anything with your good old seasonings. Especially when it's the first time you're using it, you've got to test it, ain't you? Right, air fryer's warmed up. I'm going to get a bit of oil in. I'm going to use my Chef Free today. So we're going to be that charcoal look on there. Now I'll probably have to do this in batches anyway. We'll get it all in there, as much as we can. I have left all the fat and everything on this chicken. Get that nice little bit of flavour. And I don't know if I told you, chicken thighs, and I cut them each thigh into 3 sections. That's what I've done. Loads of chicken here, loads of chicken. Enough for a couple of kebabs a piece, lovely. Well, we'll do them lot first. Okay, there's the first lot They're looking nice into them, and they do smell absolutely delicious, to be honest with you. I haven't tried them. I'm going to give them ones to the lads, and then I'll do the second batch, which is doing now. Then me and that will try them ones. Just getting the pit a bit out of the toaster. Oh, whoops, we dropped it then. These are for the lads, obviously. Hot, 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 hot. Get them cut open. Some lettuce in this one, in these ones. Just normal lettuce, that's all it is, guys, in these. There's loads of chicken, you know, more chicken than I thought. Which is all a good thing if it tastes nice, isn't it? Because you can always have more. Which is what you want, isn't it? It's definitely what you want if you can have more. Let's get some chicken in here. Pile it in. And a couple of tomatoes at the side for it. One either side like that. There we go. And we'll do this one. There's the lads. Enough for another one there, look. Then I've got Nat and ours doing. Okay guys, we are ready. Get myself my knife. Just put these in the toaster. Get them cut open first. Nat said it smells delicious, don't you, Bab?
It smells very coconutty.
Coconut? There's no coconut in it.
I smell coconut.
There's cream, yoghurt. Unless there's coconut in the seasoning, I couldn't say. I didn't have my glasses on. There's no coconut.
Unless it's just a yoghurt, I can smell them.
I've got salad cream. I've got salad cream, coconut.
I can smell it into coconut.
I don't know. Don't know what that is. I don't know what this coconut lark is. That ain't me anyway.
This is just my nose.
Right, let's get some of this in here. Some of this deliciousness.
My mouth's watering.
Mouth's watering.
Yeah.
Loads of chicken. Three chickens in each at the minute, because loads more after, if you want any more, if it's nice. That'll be nice. I'm looking forward to this. And a bit of good old homemade coleslaw. Yum. You like my homemade coleslaw, don't you, Bab?
It's better than shop.
Yeah. There we go, guys. I'll give that hers and I'll dish mine up and we'll get up to the table. I'm putting loads of coleslaw in case it's spicy, because I'm a wimp. Right, let's get up to the table. There it is. Well, there we go. From now, just looks like coleslaw, doesn't it? Never mind, eh? I'll get some off the screen or something. Nat said it's got a bit of a kick and said it's really nice, though. Ain't you, Bab?
I love jerk chicken.
Yes. I haven't even tried it yet, so it's nice.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got a bit of a kick, so wish me luck.
I don't know where I've got coconut from because it doesn't taste like it.
No coconut in there, that's why it doesn't taste like it.
Maybe it's all the smells and the spices.
Yeah, probably. It smells nice though, doesn't it?
No, but I can't. No.
It's got some nice flavour, that chicken has, hasn't it?
Really nice.
It has. I can't taste a real big kick.
Oh, you will when you just get chicken. You got coleslaw. I'm eating the bottom rather than meat.
It is nice though, isn't it, that chicken? And that coleslaw's lovely. Get a bit of meat.
I'm eating mine upside down.
Alright. To get the
You
meat.
can taste it. You can feel the heat.
I can't really feel the heat on it. On mine. It's just a bit of chicken on its own.
You will do.
Oh, I can now. Yeah. Yeah. It's not overpowering though, is it? It's like a little burn. That chicken's delicious. Isn't it nice? That? Oh, yeah. I can, Bab. That is good. I can taste the burn now. Oh, yeah, I can. I can taste the burn. That's all. I think it must be the coleslaw that takes the burn. That's... Ooh!
That's why at the bottom.
Ooh! That's spicy rice, Bab, isn't it?
It's nice. You're a wimp.
God, I mean, no. Ugh.
Man up, big boy.
I'll tell you what, you want to bite? That's really nice chicken, isn't it, that?
Spiced chicken, yeah. It's lovely.
It's really nice. It's fell apart now, look. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Good, another good choice there. Isn't it? This season was good as well, weren't it, with them good old ginsters. We both said after, didn't we? We really enjoyed them, didn't we?
I really enjoyed that ginsters yesterday.
For a change, like.
They were really nice. Last time I brought one of them was at Tesco Garage when the kids were little. I really enjoyed that dinner yesterday. Nice, simple dinner.
It was, wasn't it? And this is lovely, isn't it?
Where did you get the seasoning from? Asda?
Mollison's.
Oh.
It's called, let me get it again to show you.
I thought it was Asda because I thought you bought it from Asda when we went over.
Oh, a nice little kick on that. It has actually. Cape Herbs and Spice Rub. It's really nice. I've got some more up there. I've got a sriracha one that you got from Tesco. Not Tesco. Asda, ages and ages ago. And a piri piri one. I don't think I've done a video. I think I've done a video on the one before. That's nice. It's got a burn, that has. If you not sort of like some simple jerk like that, that's got a nice little burn, ain't it? Oh.
Hot and spicy rub. Flavoured with.
And I think if you... Well, it's to your spice, isn't it? That's what it is. It's to your spice. How you like it, isn't it? I couldn't really taste it with the spice. I could taste the taste of the chicken, but I couldn't taste the spice with the coleslaw. Until I've had the chicken on its own and I can taste it. And I'm sweating. Good spice, yes.
It's really nice. It's only a medium as well.
Hello. Oh, you didn't show you that. How's their medium look?
You need to put a bit more
sweating, look. Sweating. Anyway, I'm going to go and eat this one now. Before it was cold.
It's going to sweat to death.
As I say, I am the old food guy. I'd recommend that. It's a bit expensive, £3.49. But it is nice. Isn't it?
Yeah. Did you use loads?
I don't know. I've done a couple. I don't know how much is left in there. There's quite a loads in there.
Oh, that's good. So you would get some more.
You would. It depends on how you like spicy is it. I've never had it before, so I didn't know how spicy to do it. Anyway, till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye bye.